Hi guys, this is Manoj from MadlookzVFX. So this week we are going to start a new initiative that is something which I am going to explain later in this video. So first of all, I just want to confess that from here I won't be able to upload any tutorials because I don't have system currently with me. So I can't make tutorials based on Nuke or Mocha or Silot, anything like that. So in these circumstances I was thinking what I could do next, and also like this much days tutorials was there, even though it was lockdown. You people are watching tutorials in my channel because I have done and scheduled all these videos in February or March, I think start of March. Then because of this issue I'm not able to make any video thereafter. So hereafter basically I'll be taking a machine soon, and from there on I will be making tutorials and all those kind of videos which I used to make before. Also there are a lot of videos in my hand which I am planning to do some inspiring sessions also. So that's it. That is update from MadlookzVFX. And now I just want to tell about the new initiative which posted something in the community tab, and I made it noticed. So this is all about making you people informative. Also I am also becoming informative. So all the in our channel our basic concept is to make people aware of the industry and make people strengthen their skills. So basically I do tutorials. I have a lot of complaints. People are complaining that I'm not doing any tutorials on basic kind of stuff like how to do a character roto, how to do a clean plate for this. All these concepts have a lot of I mean a lot of in detail tutorials in internet. I know during this crisis I can see a lot of tutorials. So basically what I was planning is like from the start of my channel I was making videos. Maybe it can be useful for the somewhat senior level or mid-level level because I was making videos for myself, and all those tricks or tips you can see in my video is from my own level of learning. So I learned a tip and I just share that tip into the uh, channel. So basically that is the concept in MadlookzVFX. So hereafter, as I told, I don't have a machine right now, so I thought of I was thinking about a concept, and my wife told like there is a concept which we can make video, and also at the same time it's entertainment also. It will be like informative for uh, all the people who works in the industry and who wants to come in the industry. So that's it. That's it about the new concept, and we just came into an idea and we roughly plotted what we are going to do. So this video is like an intro session for the new upcoming series. So it's like a basic quiz. Okay, it's revealed. This is a quiz thing which we are going to do. So it's all about some basic questions, or some questions related to visual effects, some questions related to movies, some questions related to training series, or anything. Let it be like anything. So there is a team like they will be preparing the questions, and now in today's episode you will see like I'm the only person who is taking part in this quiz competition. So it's like from my point of view, I'm really straightforward to this. I didn't notice the questions till now because I have the questions in my hand now. So I don't know what was the questions, and also there's a team working to prepare all these questions, all the preparations needed to be done before making the videos. So we'll just straight away jump into the session. So before that, I just want to tell one more thing is like this is an initiative which needs certain preparation, certain level of dedication. I'm doing all these videos in meanwhile, or making time in between my work schedules and all. This is just like I'm not earning a lot of money from YouTube. All those uh, all those thinkings are like I don't know what to tell how much I earn from YouTube. And also it's not about earning, it's just an effort I'm making to make our community more informative and more stronger with knowledge. So just treat this like a series which is going to be informative. and also like the content, also share with your friends who wants to be informative, who wants to get into the industry, who wants to do something in their life. So I really appreciate the people who are sharing my content and who are liking my content. It keeps me motivated. So that's it. So let's move into the session. Can you name the movie with these famous characters? So here I have some pictures of characters. um, I think all these characters are somewhat related to alien kind of stuff. So frankly speaking, I'm just seeing these pictures right now. So there's a team, I already told, like there's a team working behind creating all these questions. And also, and one more thing is like from next episodes, I wish more participants join in this contest, and let's edit it very neatly so that after seeing the video, one person should not forget those characters or those informations which they are gaining from the video. So let's jump into the session. So uh, the name of the session, or this session, is all about, can you name the movie from these famous characters? So first one, you can watch it over here. What is the character? So I know basically this character. I watched this movie, and it's like it's released recently in the sense in the past couple of years, maybe in 2018 or 17, I think so. I don't think it's a big big hit. So I don't know everyone knows this character, but the movie name is Pixels. I'm damn sure about that. And it's all about, I don't the concept is all about an alien thing which makes the city full into pixels. It's somewhat related to gaming kind of stuff. So my answer is Pixels. Okay, moving on to the next one. Here you can see the character. This character is somewhat like, it just looks like a concept art. Like I didn't actually, I might have watched this movie, but I don't remember what this character is. It definitely looks like an alien, but we can see the details and all. It looks like a concept art actually. I don't know is this a frame from the movie or not, but I don't have any idea about this character. Maybe if I'm not getting any guesses also. Like, which is his character? No idea. So I don't think so I can answer this. Okay, pass. Mhm. Okay, so let's move into the next one. So here we have the, oh, this character is really, I just love this movie. It's a Tom Cruise movie, and I just love this movie because uh, when I watched this movie first time, I was like, from the start I was feeling like, okay, it's a slow movie. It's kind of a movie which is very slow and very hard to understand. But when the movie just started kicking up, like the editing is superb, the visual effects is superb, acting, I'm not telling like which one is superb because I'm not good in that. I can tell the visual effects or visual part of the movie, like it was edited very nicely, it was sound mixed very nicely, and the movie name is Edge of Tomorrow. So the next one is, you can see this character. Oh god, this is like a famous character. I know this character, and the movie name is Predator. Okay, basically Predator is a movie like it's a father of alien kind of movie. Like maybe there are movies before that who which portrays about alien kind of stuff and those scary kind of movies. But Predator was a sort of movie which like most of us likes in an alien concept, because the visually and it's a kind of superb horror music, movie. So the next one, I don't have any clue of this one. I don't have any clue. It looks like Mummy Returns or somewhat like that. I don't have any clue of this movie. No idea. I'm not getting any idea of this movie. What is this movie, man? This all looks like concept art. Anyways, great concept. Great modeling, great concept art. They have made a great character. So I don't have any idea about this. So I'm just letting it away. Okay, the next one is idea, man. I have watched this movie, I guess. I think it's Independence Day, the last Independence Day, right? I think so. Yeah, yeah, I think so. Yeah, because I mean, in the climax and all, I still remember. I will just go with Independence Day Resurgence. Okay, the next one is like, mhm. This is, I mean, no idea, man. This is what? I mean, what is this, man? Almost the same only. This, no idea. No idea, man. Just pass. Okay, the next one and the last one is everybody knows this, right? It's Lord of the Rings or Hobbit. Both are similar. And I I just don't remember the character name, man. I just remember the sound. I mean, voice of that character. It's like, I mean, superficial. It is like the character's sound design as well as the animation along with the storyline. It's like superb. The character. Oh God, really? I just forgot that name, man. I saw this movie, Lord of the Rings, and all 10 years back, maybe. Thank you. This is our first session, and if you people likes the content, if you people want to see more like this content, comment it down. Also let us know by liking the video. Also I wish like I have messaged or I have invited many of my colleagues and many of my friends to take part in this contest. So if all of them take part in this contest, and if we make this video, I mean this kind of video as a regular concept in MadlookzVFX, it will be fun, entertaining as well as informative. So uh, keep subscribing, keep following the contents in MadlookzVFX. I don't know, like I'm doing this content in a way like I don't have a way to do tutorials kind of stuff. I have a lot of requests regarding Nuke and Silot, so I'll be posting videos soon on that as soon as I buy a machine for me. So uh, till that I just wish to continue this content. So if you guys are okay to see this kind of content, just let me know in the comments or just like the video, so that I'll be getting some motivation to do this kind of videos regularly or hereafter. So like the video, subscribe the channel, share the content with your friends or the people who wants to learn something in their life, in their work. Okay, bye bye.